In keeping with our dedication to integrating new technology that brings direct benefit to our clients, we've teamed up with Enscape, providers of real-time rendering, live links, and VR solutions. Enscape is a real-time rendering application that allows users to very quickly and easily produce compelling renderings and animations. Enscape is providing a free beta plugin supported in Vectorworks 2020 Service Pack 3. Windows users of Vectorworks can take advantage of this live link to produce high-quality, real-time renderings. To begin, we need to install Enscape. Open a web browser and navigate to www.enscape3d.com/works-with/Vectorworks. On this page, request the trial of Enscape, download, and install the application. Once Enscape is installed, the tools must be added to Vectorworks. In order to enable the Enscape toolset, go to the Tools menu at the top of the screen, Third Party, Enscape, Add Enscape to Workspace. Give the workspace a second to refresh, and then the Enscape toolset will be found in your toolsets palette. To begin, select the Enscape Renderer tool, and click the first icon in the toolbar for Start Enscape in Separate Window. For the best experience, using two monitors will be ideal, so Vectorworks can be used on one and Enscape Renderer on the other. In this video, we will be using them side by side on a single display. Once the Enscape Renderer window is loaded, click the third icon in the toolbar to automatically synchronize the Vectorworks view with the Enscape view. With the two views synced, you can quickly get high-quality views of your model. These views will automatically update as you move around in Vectorworks. They will also automatically update with geometry changes and layer and class visibility changes made in Vectorworks. As an example, if we duplicate this symbol in Vectorworks, we will see it automatically duplicate in the Enscape view as well. Next, let's take a look at the settings that can be adjusted. At the bottom of the Enscape toolset, there are two tools for General Settings and Visual Settings. General Settings will be used to edit inputs, preferences, and licensing. Visual Settings will be used to quickly adjust settings such as outlines, white model renderings, light renderings, exposure settings, depth of field, default color temperatures and ambient brightness, fog, and other rendering-specific settings. Once the settings and model are to your liking, the Enscape toolset provides a number of different export options. Render Panorama. Render Panorama will quickly generate a full 360 view or panoramic image using the Enscape renderer settings. Export Exe Standalone. This tool will export an executable file that can be sent to another Windows-based machine. When double-clicking on the exe file, an Enscape window will appear that will let you walk around the file. Export Web Standalone. Similar to the Vectorworks web view, the Web Standalone tool will provide a web page where you can walk around the file through your web browser. Render Image. Render Image will export a single image of the current view onto the local machine. Render Video. In combination with the video editor, load path, and save path tools, a rendered video can be exported onto the local machine. In addition to these export settings, the plugin provides a suite of tools to work with Enscape, including an option for VR mode. Your Vectorworks model will be directly connected to a VR headset such as the Oculus Rift S or HTC Vive, with little to no setup. Currently, this free beta will not support texture editing or Enscape asset library access to replace Entourage objects. Real-time rendering with Enscape allows you to quickly develop your model in a more streamlined process and quickly export high-quality images, videos, and walkthroughs.